The 2027 Volkswagen Atlas. Germany builds a bouncing castle for suburban dictators. Welcome back. I am Mark, and this is Gearhead Man. Now, if you've ever looked at a massive suburban three-row SUV and thought, what this really needs is a highly strung German four-cylinder engine instead of a proper VR6, then Volkswagen has brilliant news for you. This is the completely redesigned 2027 VW Atlas. It's bigger, it's full of touchscreens, and today we're finding out if it's actually any good or just a very expensive bouncing castle for the school run. Let's get into the specs. Volkswagen has pulled the silken sheets off the completely redesigned 2027 Atlas. For 10 long years, this slab-sided tribute to American excess has served as VW's unapologetic cash cow, a vehicle engineered specifically for people who view a trip to Costco as a logistical military exercise. Now entering its second generation, the Atlas returns on VW's updated MQB Evo architecture. It has grown an inch longer, put on some flashy new animated LEDs, and arrived with a very specific mission: to make you feel like the emperor of the school drop-off lane. Under the massive flattened hood sits the Evo 5 version of the ubiquitous EA888 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder. Volkswagen has officially taken the old, lovely-sounding VR6 engine behind the barn and shot it. Instead, they've beefed up the internals of this four-pot with a stronger crankshaft and connecting rods to punch out 282 horsepower, a jump of 13 horses over last year's model. Torque hits a stout 273 pound-feet, managed by an 8-speed automatic transmission that routes power to either the front wheels or VW's 4-motion all-wheel drive system. It will still tow 5,000 pounds, meaning you can easily haul a boat you use twice a year or a trailer full of midlife crisis hobbies. Engine 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, EA888 Evo 5. Power 282 horsepower at 5,500 revolutions per minute. Torque 273 pound-feet at 1,600 revolutions per minute. Transmission 8-speed automatic. Max towing 5,000 pounds. Inside, it is predictably vast. If you folded the second and third rows completely flat, you could comfortably host a modest five-a-side football match. The standard setup gives you 7 seats, though you can opt for second-row captain's chairs if your children cannot be trusted within arm's reach of one another. The dashboard has succumbed to the modern disease of screenitis. Base models receive a 12.9-inch touchscreen, while higher-spec trims get a massive 15.0-inch television slapped onto the center console. Mercifully, VW claims they've listened to human beings and added a driver experience dial on the console for volume and drive modes, so you don't accidentally turn the climate control to incinerate while trying to change the radio station in the dark. Higher trims even throw in real wood trim from an actual tree and nappa leather. The 2027 Volkswagen Atlas is slated to crawl out of its Chattanooga, Tennessee factory and invade dealership forecourts in fall 2026. While Volkswagen hasn't finalized the exact pennies, the sticker price is expected to start in the low $41,000 range for the basic front-wheel drive SE, stretching all the way to an eye-watering $57,000 for the top-tier SEL Premium R-Line, complete with an illuminated VW badge at the front for those who love to shout their brand allegiance, and front seats that will massage your lower lumbar while you wait in traffic. So, it hits dealerships this fall, starting at just over 41 grand. But by the time you tick the boxes for the fancy leather and the glowing badge on the SEL Premium, you're staring down $57,000. Let me know down in the comments, would you buy this over a Telluride, or do you miss the old VR6 grunt as much as I do? If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button, hit subscribe to stay tuned to Gearhead Man, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Let's take a look at the video that Volkswagen released that gives a rich overlook of the Gen 2 Atlas. After the VW video, please let me know what you think.
Good evening. Please welcome the CEO of Volkswagen brand North America, Kjell Gruner.
Hello. Hello and welcome. It's great to be here in New York, and even better to share a very important moment for Volkswagen as we reveal the all-new Atlas. Before we show you the car, I want to take a step back and talk about what Atlas represents for Volkswagen and why it matters so deeply. When we first launched Atlas in 2017, it marked a turning point, not just for this model, but for Volkswagen in North America. For the very first time, we designed a vehicle specifically for this market. From the ground up, it signaled our clear ambition to play a leading role in the heart of the American automotive landscape. Along the way, one principle became very evident. Success comes from delivering more of what truly matters. More space where families experience it every day. More technology that makes life more convenient and intuitive. More design that feels right from the very first drive onward. So we began with a clean sheet. We listened closely to our customers, to our dealers, and we built an SUV designed around real life. 7 seats for the whole family, for the kids, for friends, and of course, the dog. Smart details throughout the vehicle, the space, the flexibility, the thoughtful touches that make everyday life easier and every trip more enjoyable. And this is a highly competitive segment, so we focused on what truly set us apart. And our approach was clear. Combine space and style, pair practicality with design, and deliver a vehicle that feels unmistakably Volkswagen. We paired distinctive design with our MQB platform to create a genuinely spacious interior, including a third row that fits real adults. And we committed to US assembly, bringing Atlas to life in Chattanooga, Tennessee, where around 4,000 team members work on this vehicle with a lot of pride and passion. And we launched the Atlas in 2017. And it was an immediate success. More than that, it became a turning point. That momentum really carried forward. We introduced the new Tiguan, tailored for North America. We expanded the Atlas family with the Atlas Cross Sport. We brought electric mobility to the mainstream with the ID.4. And we completed our SUV portfolio with a compact Taos. And the impact is real. Today, 80% of our US sales are SUVs. 80%, up from 14% just a decade ago. Nearly 1 in 3 Volkswagens we sell here is an Atlas or an Atlas Cross Sport. And last year alone, we sold more than 100,000 of those models. That success reflects a consistent focus on one idea, more of what matters for the customers. And that same idea guided the next generation of Atlas. The goal was clear: elevate everything customers value most. More confident design, smarter, more intuitive technology, more power, and a more premium experience where it counts. Premium that feels relevant to our customers. Premium that fits real life. And with the next Atlas, Volkswagen is ready to once again deliver more of what matters. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we all have been waiting for.
Introducing our most premium, powerful Atlas ever.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the all-new Atlas 2027. It looks fantastic, doesn't it? I'm in love. I'm incredibly proud of this vehicle, and maybe even more of the teams who brought it to life. And we're excited to see this car in showrooms later this year. I can't wait. And now to walk you through what's new and why it matters, please welcome our Senior Vice President of Product Marketing and Strategy, Peter Danilovich. Please take over. Peter.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's great to be here in New York and great to be introducing this gorgeous new Atlas. The 2027 Atlas takes what made the first generation car successful and elevates it in every way. A more premium look and feel, more thoughtful touches and smarter tech, more safety enhancing features to help carry your family with confidence, and more power than the outgoing model. So let's dig in, starting with the exterior. The Atlas makes a bold statement with all new sheet metal. The design is both powerful and athletic. At the front, stacked LED headlights, a masked upper grille, and a powerful hood project a confident face to the world. Double light lines and the illuminated VW badge are standard on all but the base trim, making it instantly recognizable day or night. We know that our customers love this feature already on the current car, and this design is even more distinctive. In profile, we have a sleek and modern body side. A sharp theme line is accompanied by prominent fenders and side sills. With this, we create a robust character and a powerful stance. At the back, we have made the spoiler more pronounced and the rear tailgate flush for a modern shape. And the cross-body taillight design mirrors the lighting signature in the front, and the dynamic turn signals add a premium feel. 3 sophisticated new colors round out the exterior design. One of them is this lovely green here besides me. Let's have a look inside. The cabin has been completely reimagined. It feels very sophisticated and it looks just spectacular. A bold loop unifies the cockpit with one strong architectural statement. Everything flows with purpose, from display to vents to lighting. High quality, soft touch surfaces, real wood decor, and available nappa leather gives the interior this elevated feel. The Atlas has always been family focused, with room for up to 7 people and all their belongings. The new 2027 Atlas builds on that, with families at the center of every detail. Based on the MQB Evo platform, it retains the hallmark spacious cabin with class-leading third-row legroom, and adds more standard feature than ever. A huge center console is designed for real life. It features smart storage, dual wireless charging, and intuitive controls. The new driver experience dial controls volume, drive modes, and the atmospheres feature, which has preset moods for ambient lighting and audio. To make the whole family more comfortable, we have added air vents in the B-pillars of the car. And we added also things like park distance control and rear sunshades and power liftgate is standard to this car. A large 15-inch infotainment screen offers a new and refined user experience. and a standard digital cockpit and available ChatGPT assistant enhance the everyday drive. At Volkswagen, we believe the safety of our customers is fundamental. Every model in our lineup includes a full complement of safety-enhancing features. The new Atlas adds a center airbag to a total of 7, and the improved IQ Drive suite upgrades travel assist and emergency assist, which now can bring the Atlas to a stop on the shoulder of the road if it detects a medical emergency. All this creates a more confident driving experience, and that feeling continues with the Atlas' most powerful engine ever. The new 2-liter EA888 Evo 5 engine makes 282 horsepower on the Atlas. That's 13 more than the outgoing model, and we anticipate better fuel consumption. And ladies and gentlemen, because customers want choice and the market evolves, we plan to launch a full hybrid with the mid-cycle refresh. The new Atlas starts arriving to showrooms in the fall, and I couldn't be more excited. We know customers are more cost-conscious than ever, and affordability remains the pillar of the Volkswagen brand. Pricing and full specs will be released later this year, but rest assured, Atlas will remain a great value. Everything you see here reflects that promise. Premium where it matters most, yet still attainable for the American family. Thank you very much for your attention, and with this, I would like to ask Kjell back to me on stage.
Thank you, Peter. Thank you so much. And we are excited to give you a closer look at the all-new Atlas. And we have the exact same beautiful, photo-ready Sacramento green Atlas right over here in this secret room. So let us take a few quick photos, and then let's celebrate the new Atlas. Yeah.